finally, nandito na yung order ko last 2 days, yung DJI Osmo Mobile 3 sa Abrisa na branch nila na DJI. So thank you so much Sir Alan, yung isang agent nila sa DJI. Yung pangalan niya, check ko yung pangalan ni Kuya. I forgot his name. Yung name niya pala is Cyro Allen. So thank you so much Sir Cyro Allen. Yung packaging niya is napagaganda, seal talaga siya, hindi siya na-open. So ako talaga yung maka-unbox nito. So makita natin, grabe, so ganda. Wow guys, from DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So right now I'm so excited to open. So meron siyang ganito. Wow, seal na seal talaga siya. Yung DJI Osmo Mobile 3 ko. So, wow. So, ito pala yung gimbal. Ito yung Osmo Mobile 3. Nakapack talaga siya. So, sa loob niya is ito yung gimbal. Tapos, ito yung accessories. Ito yung accessories niya. So, sealed talaga siya. Ito natin yung sealed talaga. Ito yung charger cord, yung pouch niya, yung stripes. Oh, what is this? Oh, ito yung nice. So let's try to open the DJI. And the DJI here. Wow. So this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Okay, right now, so activate nyo ang Osmo Mobile 3 ko. Activate your Osmo Mobile when you connect in your first time to receive your warranty. So, ito yung gagawin natin. And next, install the phone before activating, as the gimbal might jitter. Okay, activate. Mr. Device, and then the gimbal is confirming activation into the version. Confirming. Alright, activation success. Osmo Mobile 3. Notice for beginners. Ito yung tutorial ni DJI. So hold tilt and move phone left or right until the phone remain balanced with release. So next, okay, okay, sa likod. Hold tight the motor and move phone holder left or right. Ayan pala. Tapos joystick. So use joystick to pan or tilt phone. So ito yung if magta-take ka ng photo or video or recording sa photo at video. At saka ito yung kanilang tinatawag na power or function button. Press 1, switch between photos or video mode. Check the battery level or off. Press twice, switch between landscape or... Okay, ito pala yung gagamitin ko para switch between landscape or portrait mode. So twice lang. So ito try natin. Try natin siya twice. Wow, see? So i-click ko lang siya 1. Alright, yung Osmo Mobile ko is naka-turn off siya, so i-on natin siya. And let's try. What will happen? Oh. See? So, naka-portrait. Ito yung naka-portrait mode siya. So, naka-portrait mode siya yung gimbal. So, ang gawin natin ito, i-click natin siya twice. See? Naka-landscape na siya. So, ang ganda. So, ito yung tutorial na naka-landscape na siya. Ito-turn off natin siya. Hold pala, hold para turn off. So, naka-turn off na siya. So, ito-turn on natin. So, landscape na siya. So, yan. Portrait 3 times lang na press. Tapos, twice, landscape. So, ganyan kaganda si DJI. Guys. So, napakaganda si DJI. Ito yung latest na gimbal from DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Made in China, guys. Dito guys, ito try natin i-press it twice. So, kita natin, naka-portrait mode na siya. So, see? Naka-portrait mode na yung gimbal. Pero ang gagawin natin ngayon, ila-landscape natin siya. So, ito na i-push natin. I-twice natin. And, landscape na siya. Ito yung maganda sa DJI kasi ito lang yung gagamitin mo twice for landscape or twice for portrait. Try natin portrait. So, automatic na siya nagpo-portrait compared doon sa DJI Osmo Mobile 2, hindi siya ganito. And then turn off. And then i-on natin siya ulit. Hold. Again, hold. And okay, naka-portrait mode na siya. So, ito yung portrait mode niya. And then, twice. Landscape. See, naka-landscape na siya automatic. Napakaganda, di ba? Wow. So, I'm so excited to try. So, ito yung kanina tinatawag na zoom slider. Push the zoom slider in or out. Okay. Gusto mo mag-zoom, yan ang gagamitin mo. And then, trigger. So, trigger, press and hold, enter lock mode, and release to exit. So, ito yung trigger na tawag, ginagamit for active track. Yung yung mukha mo, i-active track mo kung si gimbal yung maka-follow sa'yo. Ganun. Press twice to recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times, switch between front and back camera. Wow. Press once and then press for enter sport mode. Nice. So ganito pala mag-charge. Naka-fold talaga siya. And okay. Watch the tutorial how to shoot with Osmo Mobile Action. Let's try. There. Okay. Ito yung DJI Mimo, guys. Ito yung kailangan natin. Okay.